Who would have thought you don't need anything fancy to make a spark plug connector? Forget those expensive, hard-to-find parts. The hero today is a simple clothespin. Yes, the same one holding your laundry now holds your spark plug connection like it was made for it. It's absurd, it's brilliant, and shockingly, it works. So simple that you'll question your entire toolbox. Watch and see how this ridiculous little trick turns an everyday item into a mechanical masterpiece that every mechanic will laugh at first, and then try themselves.